Check this out, guys. Check this out. What we got now is pattern forming. This was some kind of support on the downside. Then we had this midline that was being used as both support and resistance. Here it was a resistance, then here was support, resistance, and support again. And now we have an upper bound that's acting as a resistance. So basically what we have now is actually a horizontal channel, and we are waiting for a breakout on the upside or downside of the channel. So that's what we're gonna talk about today. Hi guys, what's up? How's life? How's kids and wife? All good? That's nice. Now listen up. First of all, click the like button because YouTube algorithm. The second one, click the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, because I have to grow the channel somehow. And number 3, we have a Patreon, $1 each month. 97 spaces left. That's for your early adopters. This is the only chance you get to get this for $1. I post exclusive content there. Now, and the last thing, at the end of this video, we're gonna do some comments that you guys have been posting on my videos, and I'm gonna be answering that. Now, let's get back into the chart. Okay, so basically what we got right now is this pattern over here. It's a horizontal pattern. It's been going between lower bounds and upper bounds. So let's draw these lines a little bit more accurate. So we're gonna go to the daily. We're gonna go to the daily, and we're gonna put the lower bound where this red candle closed, and where these two green candles closed on the upside. And you can see that on the 1 hourly it got broken several times, but it broke it on the hourly, which doesn't mean very much. Also here on the 4 hourly, you can see like it was using it quite heavily. It broke it here, and here was actually holding it, but it just got back down again, right? Same thing goes on the downside. Once it broke, it just got back above it. Here broke it, went all the way down, but we got back the doji, and we came above the line. So this line actually, you can move it, like adjust it a little bit wherever you want, but I like to use the dailies, closes and opens to fix the supports and the resistance. I think it's more accurate than just using 4 hourly or 1 hourly. So basically what you want to watch out, if the price goes above 23,800 around there and closes on the daily above 23,800, we are really bullish. And if it goes on the downside around 22,700, if it closes below 22,700, close, not just go, because you see on the daily a lot of times you go below these numbers, but there are no closes below that. What we want to see is if it closes below these numbers. If it does, we become either bullish or bearish, so watch out for that. Okay, so basically that's our trading strategy right now. We are watching for the breakout. Now if it breaks out, where it's gonna go? Well, we can do this kind of thing and say it's gonna go up to, where is it, 24,900, so around let's say 25,000, just keep a nice round number, around 25,000. So if it breaks on the upside, we're gonna go up to 25,000, and if it breaks on the downside, we can expect at least 21,615, 21,615. Somewhere there. So that just only the first support and resistance. This is the first resistance, this is the first support. What's happening after that? That's the question. But right now we are looking for the close above either of these two lines over here. On the 1 hourly, there's something that says we are a bit bullish rather than bearish, and that's the RSI divergence. Now if you look at the RSI divergence over here, you're gonna notice that the price is going up and the RSI is going down. See here? The thing is, if you am I gonna use this one as a corner or not, or whatever you're gonna call it, not quite sure. It's 1 hourly. This is called hidden bullish divergence because the price goes up and the RSI goes down, so it's kind of continuation pattern, and we are going upwards, so that might be it, you know. But is that it? I don't know. thing is, right now nobody knows what's gonna happen. We are bullish because until the price changes direction, we cannot be anything else. The MACD is bearish on the 1 hourly, bearish on the 4 hourly. On the daily, it looks like it's gonna turn bearish, and on the weekly, it's bullish, and monthly, it's also bullish. So basically, what we got now on the high time frames, we are really bullish. On the small time frames, we are bearish, and since we wanna keep looking on the big time frames, I think this can actually has a pretty decent chance to break on the upside. Also on the daily, if you can look at here, when you got this red candle over here, we got a bullish engulfing Japanese candlestick, if that's something you like, engulfing Japanese candlestick. So that means this is invalidated, these two candles, and now we are actually still in an uptrend. So there's one last thing you should know, and I've said it before a lot of times. On the weekly, we are at 88.46 RSI. That's very, very overbought. Like, you got to have some kind of correction from these kind of levels. Something has to happen. Like, we have to get a little bit down, like, for the price to keep going up, because the price, I mean, you can go horizontal. The price can go like horizontal, and the RSI will start going down, right? But and that's one way to get the RSI down, so we can pump again. But the way I see it, it would be really nice, like, if the price could go down, so the RSI goes down, and then we continue going up with it. That's it. Also on the, let's check a little bit on the future chart. What the future chart? You see RSI on the CME future chart is saying actually there's a divergence here. Is it a real divergence or not? It's bearish divergence, but will it play out or not? It depends. And the RSI here is only 79, and it's just on the charts that have weekly trading that the RSI is at 88. So what's gonna happen, actually, we have to see, but the most important thing is right now is watching the 1 hourly chart or 4 hourly chart, whatever spanks your monkey, and seeing the upper and lower bounds where it's gonna break out of. That's it. That's important chart on the Bitcoin right now. And that's the video for today. Not much is happening because beside the XRP news, and just little comment to XRP news, I don't think XRP is gonna die. I think it's a big FUD right now. It's like Corona FUD. You know, when Corona came and around February and March, and the market just dropped heavily, and then suddenly, for some reason, it just stopped dropping and continue going up like crazy. The thing is, once the FUD comes in, the market gets news or something like that. Everybody gets there, starts selling, and this goes for a little while until people understand what's going on. So people have to understand what's going on. They have to price in the reaction, the future reaction of the market, and once that's done, it's just gonna figure out what's the real value of the assets. Like Corona start falling down, but every other company, not every other company, but company was still doing good. Everything was, so they priced in, this is not gonna affect the markets that much. It's not World War III yet, and then start buying, you know, because they knew like this is gonna be over, like it's gonna last a while, we're gonna get the vaccine, it's gonna be over, and markets start going. Same here. XRP is going down because there's a lot of uncertain. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. Yes, they're gonna get fined. Yes, this maybe the escrow vault, they will have to sell it or give it over to the SEC or something's gonna happen. But XRP in itself is not gonna die. I don't think it's gonna die. People are saying also FUDding that it might be pulled off exchanges or something like that. Will it? I'm not quite sure. Once the SEC thing is done, I mean, we're gonna know, and you're gonna see it on the price. So the thing with XRP, it can actually become a really, really good buy. Not right now, but you can see here it just started falling down like crazy. This hourly, let's look at the daily. Yeah, daily as well. You see here, it pumped and now it's going down like crazy. So you're gonna see some kind of technicals that are saying that the market is already pricing in what's gonna happen at the end. Okay, guys, let's go to the comments. Let's go to the comments. Where are the comments? Here are the comments, man. Let's go to the comments and see what you guys been writing to me on my channel. So the first guy says, Calvin, keep up the good work. I'll support you to the end. This was on the my short video I made that's not doing anything. Thanks, man. Also, this guy says, says, first, thanks, man. You know you made it on YouTube when people are coming and saying first on your videos. That's good. Thanks, man. I think wrong prediction, bro. Bitcoin Cash investors are for 2 days. Yesterday 380, today at 310. Man, Bitcoin Cash 300 now. Yeah, it got rejected at 350, so it's now going a little bit down. You can I don't expect it to go lower than, what do you say, 260 or something like that? Yeah, it made a high. It didn't make higher high. You can say it's a double top, but we're gonna see. 380 is next target, at least. 380 is next target, man. Like that. Due to CSV personality, BSV is being boycotted by the industry and no one wants to talk about this. This means that BSV has to achieve something that cannot be ignored, such as a few major enterprises rollouts endorsements for it to get coverage. At this point, we should see the explosion in price of BSV deserves. Till then, BSV will only tread water while Ethereum, blah, blah. Yeah, I read this before. Man, listen, I know what kind of personality CSV is, you know. The guy's a pathological liar, you know. I understand that, but it doesn't affect the BSV price. It's already priced in. You have to always remember, it's priced in. And if it's priced in and the price hasn't died yet, it means it's not gonna die, it's just gonna pump like everything else. Now, if he does actually something like you said, a few major enterprise rollouts or something like that, he's gonna pump more, but it's just gonna pump like everything else because the bull market and people wanna make money on pumps. So it's just gonna happen. Please do one on EOS. Thank you, sir. Yes, I will do EOS as soon as you start pumping. It's in my, but I'm not doing EOS when it's done. I might do EOS on my Patreon page, so join the Patreon page, because there I can do like stuff that are not trending, that are at the bottom are good buys, you know. But on YouTube I can't do that because nobody gonna watch. Like, look at my last video, the graph, you know, the hype was huge. But it was huge in the crypto community, and the crypto community, especially altcoin community, is a really small community, so nobody's watching that video, man. And the graph is on fire right now, you know, but nobody's talking about it. It's like Chainlink, like, I don't know, 2 years ago, no, 1 year ago, 1.5 years ago, you know. It's good thing, but nobody's talking about it. I need masses to talk about it so I can get some views. The biggest resistance will be 380, I think. Yeah, 380 is next to resistance of 350, but first it has to break the 350. 350. Bitcoin Cash is flying. Yeah, it's going up now. Thanks for it. Now it's crashing. Yeah, it is crashing. As is everything, correction time. Yeah, that's it, man. Like, when stuff is when Bitcoin is going up, everything's going up. When Bitcoin is going down, everything's going down. I think that's because a lot of hedge funds has indexed entire crypto market, and they are selling and buying at the same time. That's the only explanation I can give you. Can you do one XRP? It's looking like it's gonna repeat 2017 move. Yeah, it's gonna repeat 2017 move on the downside. But you wrote this 2 days ago before the XRP news, I think so. Descending line. Thank you, man. Thank you so very much. Thank you. Descending line. I was asking like, how do you call the line that's angled, you know, because you got horizontal lines, vertical lines, and what are descending line? Yeah, descending and ascending line. Descending and ascending line, just like descending and ascending triangle. Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, man. Emojis, nice. Thank you. Thank you for time. You're welcome. Update chart BSV. Yeah, we are not gonna hit 600 by Christmas, that's for sure. BSV is not hitting breakers. I was expecting this breakout to hold, and if the breakout did hold, we have been like really high right now, but it didn't. You see that it tried to break it and it went back into the triangle, and I don't know, we got like the 1st February until it breaks out. So on the breakout I'll make a new video and I'll be talking about, but right now it's not happening. And that's for comments for this time. There are no more comments, so be sure to comment on my videos so I can have some more things to talk about at the end of the videos. Take care, guys. Tomorrow we do something else. Hopefully some altcoins I'll really pumping so we can talk about them. And that's it. Thanks. Cheers. Have fun. Don't lose your money as always. And take care of wife and kids. Hey.